Greece, officially known as the Hellenic Republic, is a country located in Southeast Europe at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Here are some key aspects of Greece. Geography. Location: Greece is situated on the southern tip of the Balkan Peninsula and is bordered by Albania, North Macedonia, Bulgaria, and Turkey. It also has a vast coastline along the Aegean, Ionian, and Mediterranean seas. Islands: the country has thousands of islands, the largest being Crete. The Cyclades, the Dodecanese, and the Ionian Islands are some of the most famous island groups. History. Tongue. Ancient Greece. Greece is renowned for its rich history, especially during the ancient period, where it was the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, drama, and the Olympic Games. City-states like Athens and Sparta played pivotal roles in ancient Greek history. Byzantine and Ottoman eras. After the fall of the classical Greek civilization, Greece became part of the Byzantine Empire, followed by centuries of Ottoman rule. It gained independence in 1821 after a long struggle. Culture. Language: Greek is the official language and has a history dating back over 3,400 years. It is one of the oldest continuously spoken languages in the world. Cuisine: Greek cuisine is known for its emphasis on fresh ingredients, including olive oil, vegetables, grains, fish, wine, and meat. Dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, and tzatziki are famous worldwide. Mythology: Greek mythology has influenced Western culture extensively. The myths and legends, featuring gods like Zeus, Athena, and Apollo, are central to Greek heritage. Economy. Tourism: Greece's economy relies heavily on tourism, with millions of visitors each year flocking to its historical sites, beaches, and islands. Agriculture: the country also has a strong agricultural sector, producing olive oil, wine, and fruits. Challenges: in recent years, Greece faced a severe economic crisis, leading to austerity measures and economic reforms. However, the economy has been gradually recovering. Modern Greece. Capital: Athens is the capital and largest city, known for its ancient monuments like the Parthenon. Government: Greece is a parliamentary republic with a president as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. European Union: Greece has been a member of the European Union since 1981 and adopted the euro as its currency in 2001. Greece's combination of ancient heritage and modern culture makes it a unique and fascinating country.
The best god or goddess will be determined by the gift you are about to offer. So he let them decide about the present, the divine, precious, and useful present. The god Poseidon, who was a very enthusiastic god, I think he is one of the characteristics.
Cradle of Western civilization. Greece is often referred to as the cradle of Western civilization. It is the birthplace of democracy, Western philosophy, the Olympic Games, and significant scientific and mathematical principles. Ancient Greek thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle laid the foundations for Western thought.
Our nation of islands, Greece, has around 6,000 islands and islets, though only about 227 are inhabited. The most famous of these islands include Crete, Mykonos, Santorini, and Rhodes. Mount Olympus in Greek mythology, Mount Olympus was believed to be the home of the gods. It is the highest mountain in Greece, standing at 2,918 meters, 9,573 feet. The 12 Olympian gods, led by Zeus, were believed to reside on this mountain.
Ancient theaters and ruins. Greece is home to some of the most well-preserved ancient theaters, such as the Epidaurus Theater, which still hosts performances today. The country is also rich in archaeological sites, including the Acropolis in Athens and the ruins of the ancient city of Delphi.
Cradle of Western civilization. Greece is often referred to as the cradle of Western civilization. It is the birthplace of democracy, Western philosophy, the Olympic Games, and significant scientific and mathematical principles. Ancient Greek thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle laid the foundations for Western thought. Our nation of islands, Greece, has around 6,000 islands and islets, though only about 227 are inhabited. The most famous of these islands include Crete, Mykonos, Santorini, and Rhodes.
In Greece, the term metropolis typically refers to a major city or urban area. The most significant metropolis in Greece is Athens, the capital and largest city. However, Greece has other important cities that can be considered metropolises in their own right, though on a smaller scale compared to Athens. Here's an overview. 1. Athens. Overview. Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece, with a metropolitan population exceeding 3 million people. It is one of the world's oldest cities, with a recorded history spanning over 3,400 years. Cultural significance. Athens is known as the cradle of Western civilization and the birthplace of democracy. The city is home to numerous ancient landmarks, including the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the ancient Agora. Modern Athens. Today, Athens is a bustling metropolis with a vibrant cultural scene, world-class museums, and a dynamic economy. The city is also a hub for political, economic, financial, and cultural activities in Greece. 2. Thessaloniki. Overview. Thessaloniki is Greece's second largest city and is considered the cultural capital of the country. It has a population of over 1 million in its metropolitan area. Cultural and historical significance. Founded in 315 BC, Thessaloniki has a rich history influenced by Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman eras. The city is known for its numerous Byzantine monuments, including the Rotunda and the Church of Hagia Sophia, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Modern Thessaloniki. The city is a major economic and trade center in northern Greece, with a lively cultural scene, including festivals, concerts, and exhibitions. Thessaloniki is also known for its vibrant nightlife and culinary traditions. 3. Patras. Overview. Patras is the third largest city in Greece, located in the western part of the country.